Is your Tesla Model 3 Frunk refusing to open? Don't panic. We'll cover the most common causes, from simple latch issues to 12-volt battery problems. In this video, we'll show you step-by-step solutions, including how to use the emergency release. Let's get that Frunk working again. The Model 3 Frunk uses an electric actuator powered by the 12-volt auxiliary battery to open and close. The latch mechanism itself can fail due to wear, debris, or software glitches. Knowing these components is key to diagnosing the problem. The electric actuator is the motor that powers the Frunk's opening and closing mechanism. It's connected to the vehicle's 12-volt auxiliary battery and main high-voltage system, allowing it to operate smoothly. The Frunk relies on a 12-volt lead-acid battery, typically located under the rear seat. This battery provides the power needed for the actuator, drawing about 5 to 10 amps during operation. Low charge or failure can disable the Frunk entirely. The motorized latch secures the Frunk. It consists of a spring, levers, and cable system. Failures can occur due to mechanical wear from repeated use, debris buildup, or software glitches that prevent proper engagement. All these components work together, integrated with the vehicle's systems. The Frunk is controlled through the Tesla app or touchscreen, and sensors help detect obstacles to prevent damage. Understanding how they interact is essential for effective troubleshooting. A common issue is a stuck Frunk latch. This can happen due to mechanical wear or a software glitch preventing engagement. Tesla's software release, V225.112, includes diagnostic tools for the Frunk actuator and automatic calibration routines to prevent latch sticking. Check if your car is up to date to resolve the problem. Use the Tesla app or touchscreen to install available software updates. The Tesla Model 3 Frunk relies on the 12-volt auxiliary battery for power. This battery is typically located under the rear seat and provides the necessary voltage for the Frunk actuator to operate. During normal operation, the system draws approximately 5 to 10 amps, so a low or failing battery can completely disable the Frunk mechanism. Several issues can affect the 12-volt battery and cause Frunk problems. Low charge often occurs if the vehicle sits unused for extended periods. Complete battery failure is common after several years, and corrosion on the terminals can prevent proper electrical contact, particularly in humid or coastal areas. Watch for symptoms like the Frunk failing to open or close, unusual clicking noises from the actuator, or total system failure. To check and reset the 12-volt battery, start by locating it under the rear seat. Remove the seat cushion for access. Check the battery voltage. It should read at least 12.6 volts when fully charged. Inspect the terminals for any white powdery corrosion, which can interrupt the electrical connection. To reset, carefully disconnect and reconnect the battery cables. If corrosion is present, clean it with a baking soda and water solution. After resetting, test the Frunk to ensure it works properly. If problems continue, professional service may be needed. Every Tesla Model 3 includes a manual emergency release mechanism for the Frunk. Look for the red T-handle located under the Frunk lid, near the radiator area. Pulling this red T-handle disengages the Frunk latch completely independent of any electrical power. This ensures access even if the vehicle's systems fail. This manual override is a crucial safety feature mandated by the National Highway Traffic Safety Administration, or NHTSA standards. It prevents entrapment in case of power failure or mechanical issues. Remember, this emergency release works without electricity and is designed to keep you safe in any situation. Tesla often fixes Frunk issues through over-the-air software updates. The latest version, V2025.112, includes diagnostic tools for Frunk actuators and automatic calibration routines to prevent latch sticking. Make sure your Model 3 is running the most recent software by checking through the touchscreen controls. For detailed diagnostics, use the Tesla app to check for specific error codes. Look for codes like Frunk Latch fault, which indicate latch or actuator problems. The app provides software-enabled diagnostics that help identify issues before they become major problems. Tesla's system now includes proactive alerts that appear on your dashboard when frunk health issues are detected. These warnings, like the front trunk unlatched message, help prevent accidents and guide you to take action. Tesla is increasingly using software for preventive maintenance with AI-driven diagnostics that have reduced repair times by 40%. These proactive alerts for frunk health help maintain reliability and prevent issues from escalating. For DIY fixes on your Tesla Model 3 frunk, start with safe steps you can handle yourself. First, check and reset the 12-volt battery located under the rear seat. This small battery powers the frunk actuator, and low charge can cause issues. Second, if the frunk is stuck, use the emergency release mechanism. Pull the red T-handle located under the frunk lid near the radiator to manually disengage the latch. This works even without power. However, if these DIY fixes don't resolve the issue, it's time to contact Tesla service. Persistent problems, error codes on the touchscreen, or signs of a faulty actuator require professional attention. Tesla's diagnostic tools can identify deeper electrical issues. Remember, while DIY can help with common issues, complex repairs involving the actuator or electrical system should be left to certified technicians to ensure safety and warranty coverage. Tesla is actively improving frunk reliability for future models through enhanced waterproofing techniques. New designs will incorporate solid-state actuators, providing better durability and fewer mechanical failures compared to traditional motors. By 2026, AI-driven diagnostics integrated into over-the-air updates have already reduced repair times by 40%. These advancements are expected to significantly decrease frunk-related issues in the long run, improving overall vehicle reliability.